Hey everybody, this is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share a project for My Crafting World Designs. And this is the gingerbread box. What does she call it? So it's the treat box, but you're going to use the border die, which is this one here. Now this is still available in her shop. And this is the new, this is from a previous release, and this is November's release. So this makes a gingerbread treat box. Okay, so I'll have everything linked below. Here's a coupon code if you want to save some money. If you decide to place an order, Lisa G10, to save 10% off of your order. So some of these projects, I've been gingerbread crazy. So some of these projects I've already shared. And this is some cards, okay? Now this is the box. Look how cute. It is adorable. It is so cute. Look at that little Gingy. So that is the first one I did, and then I've just got, you can see that, you know, it holds the stuff. Now, this is the gingerbread memory decks that is from last month's release. So this could actually be a memory decks holder. So there's another little Gingy. See, it fits perfect in the box. Love it, love it, love it. So this is how I did this one. I made the box the same way, and I'm going to show you how I did this, okay? So super cute. So let's get into that really quick. And I'm going to set all of this other stuff to the side. I've already prepped some things. Okay, let me try to fix this a little bit. So what I have done is I cut the base out twice. And I did cut the feet out twice, and that's going to be optional. Either one is optional, okay, to do it, to cut it out twice. But I only decorated one, okay? So in your die set, you have the base piece, okay? And then you have the feet, okay, the base feet. Then you have your frosting for your feet. And this is the frosting for the body, okay? Now you also get these other dies, the face, the buttons, and some more little dots here. I did not use those. I decided, you know, to use a stamp. I'm not a big on paper piece and a lot of stuff. So when you cut out your frosting, you're going to get this, okay? Minus this, because I used that paper. This is like a shimmer paper. You know, we don't waste that. So you will get this, okay? So that is my pink. Now, this is the frosting that you're going to get, okay? That's what you need for your frosting. But you're still going to get the negative. This pink part is my negative. Why not use it, okay? And then that's where you can incorporate more colors. You still could have went back with the craft, but, you know, I like pink. So that is how you would do that. So when you cut your frosting, you're going to get the negative. So, of course, when you're cutting several different colors, you know, you can mix and match, you know, how I did these. So that is that. I'm going to set all of this over here to the side. The same way with the feet. You will get the negative and you'll get your frosting. See, here is a negative. So you will get all of that. Okay. And then this is your set here. That is it's the bag and box maker. with these, you can see you get a layering piece. Okay. So I decided to use the wider one, which is this one. They're both the same length, but this one's a little bit wider. So that's how I did this. Okay. And I've already layered it. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to put this together. Now this piece right here, you're going to cut off the little flap, which is this one here. You're going to cut that off, so you have a straight piece there. So we are going to line this up. Now this is perfect because what you're going to do is, you see, you're going to count 3 notches, and then that's where you're going to start your base piece. And if you come over here, you see you got 3 on this side. So that's perfect. It's even. So we're going to do that part. And then also your feet. You're going to count the 3. 1, 2, 3. And when you put this here, okay, and then you come on this side, I hope I'm making sense. You're going to count the 3 because you're going to need that. Is going to fold up. And when you put this here, you're going to have 3 in the middle. You can fold it this way and glue it down. You can fold it backwards, which is how I did there, or you can cut it off. Now on these in the box, you can see right here I folded them in. But a lot of people might not like that look, but it don't bother me. So either way, you know, you can cut them off. This one I also did on the inside. But either way, so what you're going to do, so you know you're going to need 3 notches on this side and 3 notches on this side, which is going to be your size of your box. So you're going to get your little score tool and put it down. And then you're just going to count 3, and then you're going to score it. Make sure it's lined up. And I'm scoring it real good because I've already got my layering piece. I'm sorry. So 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to score. All you're going to do is flip it over. Make sure it's lined up, you know, even. And then you're going to count 1, 2, 3. And you're just going to score real good. Because this craft paper is really thick. And then plus I have that 65-pound pink that's layered. And I just found that it's easier to layer it before I, you know, put it on. Okay. So where you're missing your 3 little notches, you know that's the fronts. So you're going to take your piece that's decorated. And then you're just going to put glue on all of these little pieces here. Okay. And then you're just going to put this on there like that. I hope I'm in frame. Okay. Make sure it gets stuck on there, and then you can turn it over and then really push it down. It doesn't really take the Bearly Arts glue that long to dry, especially if you give it a good press and flatten it out. It don't take it long. Okay, so that is like that. And then all you do is fold these up. Now, I should have kind of like manipulated this a little bit to kind of curve it. And then you just, it's kind of hard to work when you have the camera up because you don't want to go out of frame. So I'm going to lay that down, get that right there, and then just kind of push a little bit. But, you know, without doing a video, this is super, super easy. And it's also super fast. It doesn't take long to make it like this. And then I'm going to come up here. I'm going to try to, how can I do this? Manipulate this a little bit. Just loosen up them fibers just a little bit. Put the glue on these 3 notches here. And I could probably just lay this down and do it like this. Yeah. Just make sure it sticks. And see, you could already have this decorated if you wanted to. You see, I already have all the frosting, the layering piece. I have my face stamped. Everything. Because the box is little. See? So that's how your back looks. Okay? And then now we're going to do the same thing for the front, except I'm going to put everything on the inside. Okay? So now we're going to do these on the outside. Now I'm going to do this first, and then what I do is I like to stand it up and then make sure that it's flush and level. Okay. Make sure these are stuck. I mean, I guess you can use score tape if you wanted to. I just like the wet glue on some things. You can move it around a little bit better. Okay, and then we're going to do these. Put some glue there. Bring it up. And then this is where you'll have to curve it a little bit. So it helps to manipulate that paper for that little curve. So I'm just going to kind of hold this here a minute. Make sure it sticks. That should be okay. Okay. And then we can do these right here. So, have y'all been working on gingerbread stuff? I've did a lot of gingerbread projects. Okay, make sure that is stuck. Come and mash it down. But this box is so super cute. And then y'all see when at the beginning of the video, I did I had the cards in it. The A2 size cards. Of course, minus the envelopes. Fit. They sit down in here perfect. I'm going to have to hold these a minute to make sure they stick. And that's the box. Isn't it so cute? It's so cute. Now, if that bothers you on the inside, that's why I had the second piece here. You can go in and you can put that to cover it up. You may have to just take a little, like a little bitty sliver off right there to make it fit like that. But that don't bother me. But that does bother me. So that's why I have this second piece. And plus, I like sturdiness. Okay. So that is going to go back here. You know, it looks more complete. So that is the little box. And I love it. It is so adorable. So adorable. So as you can see, this is an A2 size card. It fits perfect. It sits up in there perfect. I showed you this already. Your gingerbread memory decks that looks like the box. And this is the gingerbread mini album that's in my Crafting World's shop and a shop as well. So that is that. So look, it holds. It's so cute. So all I have to do now is maybe put a bow and some little buttons. But that is how you create the box. The gingerbread box. And then you decorate it how you want to. So that is my project share. Tell me what you think. And I will have everything in the description box. You know, the website link and the link to these items that I've shared today. So thanks for watching. Tell me what you think. And I'll see y'all in the next video.